Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Vishwas Engineering School. In this video we are going to know about the properties of colloid. In the previous video we have known about the property of colloid, that is optical property and the kinetic property, and also we have known about the electrical property some else. And in this video we are going to know about the electrical property in details. That is electrical property. We will also know in this video, that is the electrophoresis, as well as electro-osmosis. So let's start the class. Before starting the class, I will say that if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. So let's start the class. That is electrical property. We know that if we take a container, in this container there is a colloidal solution. That is colloidal solution. We have known in the previous video that if the colloid is positive, the medium will be negative. And if the colloid is negative, the medium will be positive. So in the container, if the colloidal particle, and the colloidal particle, if we know that the colloidal particle is called dispersed phase and the medium is called dispersed medium. So if the phase or dispersed phase is positive, the medium will be negative. Suppose we have taken the positive colloid. Suppose the colloid is positive, so the medium will be negative. So as the colloid is positive and the medium is negative, the whole charge of the container will be neutralized. So from this concept we will learn about the electrophoresis and electro-osmosis. So in details let's know. That is, we have taken a container. It's a huge container. In this container there is a solution, that is colloidal solution. Figure is colloidal solution. In this solution we have to take two electrodes. One is anode and the other one is cathode. In this electrode we have to take the high voltage sources. If we take the high voltage sources, the certain phenomena will be like this. We have taken two electrodes. Suppose this one is anode and this one is cathode, and we have given some external power source. So from this source, suppose this is a battery. From this battery there is a electric potential in the anode and cathode. So from the chemistry we know that if the positive charges attach the negative charge and the negative charge attach the positive charge, and the same charge repels. So if there is positive, that is anode is positive and cathode is negative. So suppose we have taken the positive colloid. That is suppose. So by default the medium will be negative. So we know that the positive charge attacks the negative and the negative charge attack the positive. So the colloid is positive colloid. So the positive colloid, if we give some potential or potential difference, there will be large potential difference. Due to the potential difference, the positive charge will be attached to the negative electrode and the negative charge will be attached to the positive electrode. So we think that dispersed phase or colloidal particle is positive. So the colloidal particle is going to the negative charge, and if the colloidal particle would be the negative, it will go to the positive charge. So we know that colloidal particle is positive, so it goes to the negative charge. Here colloidal particle is dispersed phase. So the dispersed phase is moving. Here the dispersed phase is moving to the cathode, and the dispersed medium, that is negative charge, is going to the anode. So when the dispersed phase can be positive or negative. If the dispersed phase is positive, it goes to the negative electrode, and if the dispersed phase is positive, it goes to the negative electrode. So the opposite charges attacks. So if there the positive colloid, the colloid is positive, so it goes to the negative charge. So that's the trick. So the positive colloid is dispersed phase. So when dispersed phase moves, so the colloidal particle will be like that, moves to the cathode and will be like that. So the dispersed phase, when the dispersed phase moves, the phenomena is called electrophoresis. So there is phases moves, that is called phoresis. It's a easy trick to remember that P is P, that 2P phase moves, that is called phoresis. So when the dispersed phase moves to the electrode, that is called electrophoresis, and the other one remains, that is the dispersed medium is going to the electrode. So when the dispersed medium is going to the electrode, that is called electro-osmosis. So when the dispersion medium moves, that is called electro-osmosis. So we have got the 2 points, that the dispersed phase is going to the electrode and the dispersed medium is going to also the electrode. That when the dispersed phase is positive, it is going to the negative electrode, and when the dispersed phase is negative, it is going to the positive electrode. The phenomena when the dispersed phase is going, the process is called electrophoresis, and the phenomena when the dispersed medium is going to the electrode, this process is called electro-osmosis. So I hope it is clear about the electrophoresis and electro-osmosis. But the electrophoresis can be called cataphoresis. So the electrophoresis and cataphoresis are same. So if in the question paper the cataphoresis process you have to write down the electrophoresis process. The cataphoresis process and electrophoresis process is the synonym, nothing but the synonym. The electro-osmosis is called end-osmosis. So electrophoresis is called cataphoresis, electro-osmosis is called end-osmosis. So if we summarize the video, we will find that we have taken a container. In this container we have taken 2 electrodes. In this electrode, one is positive and one is negative. The positive electrode is called anode, the negative electrode is called cathode. We have taken the high voltage sources. When we have given some high voltage sources, there is a potential difference. Due to the potential difference, the dispersed phase will go to the one electrode and the dispersed medium will go to the another electrode. If the dispersed phase is positive, it will go to the negative electrode. If the dispersed phase is negative, it will go to the positive electrodes. So the phenomena when the dispersed phase is moving, this moving process is called electrophoresis. It can be called cataphoresis. And the phenomena when the dispersed medium is moving, this is called electro-osmosis. This can be called electro-end-osmosis. So I hope this video is clear to everyone. So if you have any problem about this video, you can write comment in the comment section. I will must answer it. And if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Till then, thank you everyone.